So, today is day 2. For today's itinerary, i-explore namin yung city. So, this will be a city tour. And then, for today, we will just do DIY. So, mag-train kami para naman ma-experience namin yung local way of living. Charing. So, ayun. Lagi talaga kapag magta-travel is gusto ko ma-experience yung train. Kasi based on reviews, efficient naman daw yung train system dito sa Taiwan. So, let's see. Ayun. So, for first itinerary natin, papunta tayo ng Longsham Temple. And then, by the way, ano na pala is 10 a.m. na. So, late na kami lumabas. Late na kami nakabangon din. And hindi pa kami nagbe-breakfast. So, after namin sa Longsham Temple, didiretso kami sa Ximending kasi pupuntahan namin yung modern toilet and doon tayo magla-lunch. So, brunch na pala. Brunch na sa modern toilet. And then, after that, pupunta kami sa Chiang Kai-shek Memorial. And then after that, ayun. So basically magagala lang kami within the city today. Freestyle itinerary. So for city tour, hindi na kami nag-book ng private tour kasi yun nga, we like to explore on our own. So ayun lang. So balikan ko kayo mamaya pag nandun na kami. Bawa ka talaga, temple to eh.
Ay, we.
So we finally arrived here at Longsham Temple. Yan. Yan. We define dito for Chinese New Year Festival. Then that's the temple itself. Ito yung best part dito. Look how beautiful this water is. Ah. Lakas maka binondo. Ha? Oh. And we're back to Ximending. Ito sige, share muna tayo. Tataas yan eh. We're here sa modern toilet for lunch. This is a must-try restaurant here in Taiwan. Let's go! Ang cute ng table. May poop. Tapos yung upuan. Toilet bowl din. So, ito yung order natin. Modern toilet hot pot. And we have here chicken curry and pork chop curry. And we also have pork hot pot. Kain na!
Oo, yan po.
So, we're done with lunch sa modern toilet kanina, and now we're off to Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. So, magko-commute kami as usual, DIY. So, we're already here at Songshan Xinjiang Station. Ang biyahe is almost 18 minutes from here papunta sa Chiang Kai-shek. So, yan. We're currently waiting sa train. Basta ka naman na. Hello, guys! There. Say hi. So, we're here at Chiang Kai-shek Memorial. Ayan. As you can see at the back. And then, ito yung famous na hall. Ayan. So, makipicture kami dyan later. Nasaan yung kapatid ko? For the picture, for the pictorial na nagaganap. Ayan.
장관이다. 장관이다. 국방부 장관이다. 와우.
Hindi ma, yan si ano, sa Chiang Kai-shek. Sa kanya pinangalan. Feeling ko yung vlog na to puro ano lang, puro walang talk. And now we're off to Taipei 101 Mall kasi may schedule kami ng observatory for 5:30. So it's currently 4:57 here. So meron pa kaming 30 minutes to travel. So malapit lang naman siya from here. Ilang station lang? So 3 stops lang. Wala dito sa Starbucks na malapit sa Chiang Kai-shek. Tapos yun na, Taipei 101 naman. So I think enough time para umabot sa 5:30 na schedule. Ayan. Pagod na yun. Kaya pa? Ha? Kaya pa? And we're finally here at Taipei 101, 89th floor observatory deck. So, medyo madaming tao. And medyo gloomy din kasi paggabi pa lang. Since 5:30 yung schedule, we're expecting na nighttime yung makita namin yung view. So, pinapababa lang namin yung araw pa. Pero, pakita ko din kung ano itsura niya pag may araw mamaya paggabi. Here's a night view of the city. Ang ganda. We're here at gift shop. So dito sa Taipei 101 Observatory deck. So naghahanap kami ng crystal ball for souvenir. So ayan, here we go. So, yan yung mga crystal balls. Binili namin ito. Yan, yung black na ano. Bet. Bet ko yan. Yeah. Ang price niya ay 680 NTD. Sabi nang may flower.
So,
Ang cute!
laki.
So, hi guys! Nakabalik na kami dito sa Airbnb. Nakauwi kami around 10:15 PM na. So, kanina after Taipei 101, pumunta pa kami ng Rohe Night Market kasi nag-food trip kami doon and yun na din yung dinner namin. So, nagpunta kami doon around 7 PM dinner time and super daming taong kaya hindi na din ako nakapag-vlog kasi as in bumper to bumper sasakyan. As in siksikan, parang Divisoria Market, ganun yung atake. So, hindi ka na makakapag-vlog as in tapos may dala pa kaming baby. So, we decided na hindi na lang mag-vlog and then i-enjoy na lang yung food and then yung paglilibot around the area. So, ipopost ko na lang dito or i-show ko na lang dito yung mga food na binili namin at i-mention ko na lang dito yung mga must-try na food dun sa Rohe Night Market. Yun. So far, I think tumagal kami doon ng 2 hours kakalibot. Kasi ang dami naming tinry na food as in mga 8 kinds siguro. Yun. As in tinapos namin yung buong street. Tapos yun. Kung ano lang yung bet namin, yun yung binili namin. And then, as usual, 4 kami and then we only ordered 1 to 2 per food. And then, we just shared. Syempre for the drink, 1 each kami. Pero yung food, sharing lang kami since para madami kami matry at hindi kami agad mabusog. And then, ayun, strategy para matikman namin para marami kaming matikman. Ayun. And then after that, we headed back home. So, ayun. So, it's already 10:30 PM here or around 10:45, almost 11 PM, I guess. Ayun. So, pagbalik namin, nag-settle lang kami. Syempre, as a mom, traveling with the baby, so pinalitan ng damit yung anak ko na pantulog, naghugas ng bote, nag-ayos ng gamit and everything, and then nag-charge na din ng mga gadgets and everything. And by the way, kasi lobat na din pala tong DJI kanina, kaya hindi na din kami nag-vlog dun sa Rohe. Ayun, so I think this is it. Let's call it a day, and that's for day 2 of our Taiwan vlog. And for tomorrow, we also have another adventure. So, meron tayong private tour tomorrow outside Taiwan. So, yun na lang. Update ko kayo bukas. Thank you. Bye.